get going. Sometimes I'm not grammatically correct. I apologize. All right, what do we got? I don't hear you.
You don't hear me?
Now I do.
Oh, okay. Our first one is a VIP squad member. It is Betty Brown, and she's asking, my friend is in the U.S. with her fiancé right now. Once they're married, can her spouse apply for green cards for her and her kids at the same time? They're from Jamaica.
Yes, of course, as long as the kids were under 18.
Sean Brooks, another Brad Squad VIP member, asks, my wife is a U.S. citizen and filed the I-130 for me, but she did not meet the poverty guidelines and required for 2 people. Now she wants to use her house as an asset. There's no mortgage or lien on the house as she bought it in cash, and the appraisal value is $55,000. Also, her 401k has $9,900. Can this work for us?
Well, you can take 20% of the appraised value of the house that doesn't have a mortgage on it and add that to her tax return. So that would be about approximately $10,000 and change added on, about 20%. I don't know what, 55, $11,000. Actually $11,000 if I did the math right. That would be 20% of 55,000. So you get to add 11,000 on to whatever her income is on her 1040 return. The 9,000 in a savings account, you again get 20% of that. That would be about 1,800. So both of those assets together, you would be adding about $12,800 to her tax return. Hopefully that's enough to put her over the top. But don't forget, you have this 944 form where you got to show prospectively that you're not going to become a public charge.
All that math. Jeez.
Did you like how I did all that math in my head?
Yeah, that was wild. All right, Nadine Stewart, another VIP member. My sibling who lives in Jamaica is in the F4 category and was told they were documentarily qualified in May 2020. Do you have any idea when they might get an interview?
No, because of the Trump proclamation. It just got lifted less than a week ago, 7 days ago. So they've got 400,000 people to interview. I don't know where she is on that list.
J Dove, another Brad Squad VIP member, can one re-enter into the United States after being deported for a felony under President Biden's new proposed law?
Unlikely, but there would be waivers available if you can get refiled again, perhaps, yes. Depends on what the felony is for.
Okay, Bint Usman, another VIP member. My sister traveled twice on her tourist visa. On her second trip, she worked illegally for a day. She tried to enter a third time, but was stopped and questioned at the border, to which she admitted to working. Now, she got deported with a 5-year ban. It's been a year since, and she's now married to a U.S. citizen. And they have a child and one on the way. How can she petition for her without, or how can he petition for her without waiting that 4 more years?
Well, not only you have to wait the 4 years, she has a permanent bar because she has that 5-year bar, plus she has a permanent bar for misrepresentation. I would file the I-130 now. You can file a 212 waiver to come back after prior order of deportation. You can also file a waiver for misrepresentation, and hopefully it all works out.
Kunta Kinte on YouTube, can I adopt a sibling under 18 years old and later apply for their adjustment?
Depends where that sibling is. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.